You have to run it. Yeah, the transaction is creating problem. Oh, I think our table trigger is creating problem. Phew. One second, let me drop the trigger. Uh, our trigger is creating problem once again. Second, soft trigger. Oh, okay, I have to drop this also. So once you use it, no, drop everything, okay? Otherwise, you will get confused actually. I think let me run it and see. Okay, trigger dropped. Okay, now we have to insert. So I'm creating HH JJ, then run it. Okay, now it's inserted. Okay, now this why I'm using is here only I'm telling that close the connection. Okay, so here I'm specifying here. Okay, now I'll run it and show. Okay, now it should work. It only one record is considered because of our trigger. Okay, now it should be better. So usually like this only. Okay, when you start working, okay, you will get this type of issue. So once issue comes, means you are learning. If issue doesn't come, means you are not learning. Okay, real time like this only. See, you have seen this one. I am appending this one. First one is 1, next one is 2, next will be 3. I am appending 1, comma 2, comma 3. So employee also see here. First is ASD, next is HR, next will be J. So I want to show you how I'm looping. This way I'm looping and I'll bind it to the label. Okay. Just I want to show that how we are using a reader. This is a reader example. So reader I told no, it is a connector architecture. You're looping. But in dataset you have seen, I'm not looping, directly binding. It comes here value. Before that I'm closing the connection. Did you see that? And after that I'm binding. This is disconnected architecture. And you have something called scalar. Scalar is nothing but it's a one value. I want to just get only one value, like execute scalar. Say I have string, I have a count, okay, int of count. Here I'll specify int. This I'm casting to int. So I'm telling whatever this value, it will come as a, say I want to show a select count star of 1. So what I'm doing is it will return only one value. It may be a count or anything, but it should have one value. So I'm using this execute scalar. Got it? So I told about adapter, I told about reader, dataset and adapters. Execute non-query I told. Data reader. This is a data reader. Data execute scalar I'm telling now. Adapter object which I told fill this one. So so connections I told SQL connection. Data command is SQL command. I used a command here. Okay, I think everything I completed. I'll show this one. Tomorrow, if you have any question, okay, what I'm saying, just go through the thing, okay? Full. Using, yeah, practice it. Then I think it will solve your purpose, okay? So now I'm loading the page. I'll checking this code once the class over. You can take it and you can play it around. So I clicked here. So if you see here, I have three because of this. One, two, three. I got a discount. Okay. So this is ADO.NET. Through ADO.NET only we are connecting the database. I'm fetching the data and I'm doing. But right now we are not using any ADO.NET. If you go to advanced concepts, correct? If you see MVC, we never use like this. We will use like this. But don't confuse, okay? I'm just showing for your informative. See, this is my database. I connect to my so everything like a object. No more like ADO.NET. We have a object. This is my object. My employee entity is my object. In employee list, I have a property of list. I'll just count it. Directly go and bind it. Right now, we are not using everything in object, class and objects. Okay, so just I'm telling this one as an idea, but don't do this one. But you just concentrate on this ADO.NET, okay? We are not using right now ADO.NET. Mostly people are using ORM, means class and objects. This is base. Where is this one? So I have created a code here, okay? In this is normal web page form. In this project, I have default. In this code begin file I written, okay? Bind. So what I'm binding is I have a button. If you come to design, you have this button, correct? On click of this, sorry, this is the problem here. So on click of this, I will come to here, this page, this event. So this will connect and bind it. Okay. Okay. So this is my sample code. I think I have covered ADO.NET as a basic. So this will give a little bit idea. If you have any questions, any doubt, please ping me or ping me in chat. Please give me suggestions on whether my tutorial is good or not. It will help me in further thing. Thank you.